Assalamu alaikum students. Uh, Today we are going for the machine learning with Python 6th lecture. What we have already done, that is machine learning in its working, types of machine learning, and then we see in the third lecture what is the difference between machine learning, data, deep learning and artificial intelligence, application of machine learning, algorithm of machine learning, and today we are going for the 6th lecture. That is about what is classification and its types. So in the previous lecture, we have already done algorithms of machine learning. I will also send this link in the description. You can see today is our sixth lecture, our machine learning with Python, in which we were going to discuss what is classification, types of classification, and usage scenario, etc. So what is classification? Classification is a generic word which is used for the grouping or categorizing some things. So what it is actually a process of dividing the data set into the different categories, groups or classes by adding label to each other. यानी कि हम करते क्या है कि डाटा को जो है जो भी डाटा दिया होता है, डाटा सेट दिया होता है, हम उसको जो है वो एक ख़ास दिए गए क्राइटेरिया के ऊपर उसमें डाटा में से एक स्पेसिफिक कॉलम को हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं एंड देन वी डिवाइड डाउन द डाटा in the sub groups and subcategories, and then we divide and so on. This process will be continued till the last unique result in the form of yes, no, or 1, 0 is reached. So the process of dividing the data set into the different categories is called classification, or we can say that in the different groups, and each groups have a specific label to that columns. So types of classification, binary classification. You can see that what is binary classification. Binary classification actually the dividing of data into the two groups, two classes, whether it is belongs to a true group or whether it belongs to a false group or false class. So next one is so second type is multi-class classification, in which the output is labeled more than two types. Classification with the more than two classes, two groups. In the multi-class classification, each sample is assigned to one and only one label are the target. Now you can see that used in many different places. Where is the usage of classification? It's used in the medical field, like protein sequence classification, DNA classification. In today's scenario, we are seeing its big usage in the COVID-19 classification and its variants. How it is variants in the different with the time insurance classification, identifying the risk factor for the diseases, that there is a disease exist or not. Word classification, text classification, we could say that text identifying, weather prediction, voting application, and lots more. So most common classification problems that we are reading nowadays by the machine learning, that are speech recognition, identifying the speech of a person belongs to which, face detection, we can say that face detection, handwriting recognition, document classification, etc. These are the most commonly used classification problems. So next we will see which are the most common algorithms. Classification is supervised learning concept that we have already studied. So here we can see the classification problems are decision tree, random forest algorithm, supervised, support vector machine. We can call it as SVM, artificial neural networks, ANN, logistic regression, naive-Bayes classifier, and KNN. Classification terminologies in the machine learning. So next we will discuss its theoretical parts in the classification. First is classifier. What is classifier? Classifier is a model, actually, an algorithm that is used to map the input data to a specific category. कि the actually इसका काम यही होता है algorithms classifier algorithm का कि which data belongs to which group or which class. So next जो term use होती है इसके अंदर वो है classification model. The model predicts or draw a conclusion. The input data given for the training, it predicts the class or groups which it belongs to. So यानी कि डाटा पे ये डिसीजन करता है क्लासिफिकेशन मॉडल कि ये जो डाटा का ये वाला ग्रुप है ये वाला जो सबसेट है बिलोंग्स टू विच कैटेगरीज. नेक्स्ट है इसके अंदर फीचर्स की एक टर्म यूज होती है. फीचर्स, ए फीचर इज एन इंडिविजुअल मेजरेबल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द फिनोमिनन बीइंग ऑब्जर्व्ड. फीचर जो है वो क्या है कि एक इंडिविजुअल मेजरेबल प्रॉपर्टी है जिसको हम आमतौर पर एक कॉलम भी कहते हैं, एक टारगेट कॉलम भी कहते हैं, एटसेट्रा. सो नेक्स्ट है बाइनरी क्लासिफिकेशन दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन विद द टू आउटकम्स 0 1, true false, etc. And then multi-class classification. Multi-class classification with more than two classes. In the multi-class classification, each sample is assigned to one and only one label. यानी कि इसमें जो है वो आउटपुट एक दो से ज़्यादा होती हैं बट हर टारगेट जो है ना वो एक ही असाइन होता है कि विच ग्रुप के साथ जो है ना इसको बिलोंग करता है. बाकी रिमेनिंग्स को हम डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स के साथ जो है ना उसको लेबल कर देते हैं. मल्टी क्लास क्लासिफिकेशन के बाद है मल्टी लेबल क्लासिफिकेशन. दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन वेयर द ईच सैंपल इज असाइन टू ए सेट और द लेबल्स आर द टारगेट्स. नेक्स्ट है इनिशियलाइज. एक टर्म यूज होती है. इट इज़ यूज टू असाइन द क्लासीफायर टू बी यूज्ड फॉर. इसमें जो है ना वो कौन सा क्लासीफायर जो है ना वो यूज़ होगा उसके लिए जो है ना ये मॉडल के इनिशियलाइज करने के लिए, स्टार्ट करने के लिए जो है ना ये टर्म यूज़ होती है. ट्रेन द क्लासीफायर यानी कि जो भी मॉडल हमने सेलेक्ट किया है उसको ट्रेन करना. ईच क्लासीफायर in which we are using for the model usage. First we use the fit terms. We divide the data into the two categories, x and y, or we can say that train and test data sets that are used for the training, data set used to train the model, and test data set used to test the model for its. सो नेक्स्ट है प्रिडिक्ट द टारगेट. कि जो एक्चुअल हमारी आउटकम है जो हमें रिजल्ट चाह रहे होते हैं, जो हम जो है ना वो टारगेट हमारा जो होता है, जो हम एक्चुअली चीज़ों को फाइंड करना चाह रहे होते हैं उसको जो प्रिडिक्ट द टारगेट कहते हैं. फॉर एन अनलेबल ऑब्जर्वेशन एक्स द प्रिडिक्ट एक्स मोड मेथड रिटर्न द प्रिडिक्टेड लेबल वाई. वी कैन से दैट वाई और एक्स वट एवर वी हैव नेम. एंड देन नेक्स्ट टर्म यूज in the classification is evaluate. That is the most important factor of the classification that we are wanting for that we are going for that. That basically means that evaluation of the model classification, and we can say that classification report, different evaluation matrices like accuracy score, precision, etc. These are the main purpose of the classification algorithms. So in the next lecture, we will discuss decision tree in the detail. So please subscribe this channel and distribute with the other.